Welcome back everyone to another technical classes, and today we're taking a look at the Bitcoin. Straight to the point, after catching this smaller downside movement here, which broke this sharp trend line, we had some kind of up and down movement here, and then the breakdown momentum here as well, which we took short position from as well. Now since then the entry wasn't the best one, so we had a crispy upside movement here, yet again to this local resistance area. Now as long as we stay overall below this area and buyers don't manage to form a proper breakout from here, which most probably could result in a liquidity grab to the 80k area, if we even see a further push from here, then this idea would be invalid. But overall the game plan still remains the same. We still expect to see the price to fall to the lower zones, to as low as 68k to like 66k. This is the ideal range that we are expecting the price to fall to. So let's approximately mark this area as well, somewhere here. So that being said, right now the bigger picture is clear still for us. We need to see the proper downside movement, although this spike up is a little bit nerve tingling. So let's go to the 30-minute time frame and see what's happening on the smaller time frames. Now we had this strong momentum here with a proper breakout structure forming here. So we had the first liquidity movement and then a proper breakout structure. Now since then price has been going with a steady upside movement, and then a strong liquidity grab to lower zones happened right close near to the 79k area, and now price is yet again showing some kind of volumes here. Now for us, ideally we need to see that sellers manage to break down from this zone here, which means that if we see the price to fall, let's say we move here again like this, but eventually we need to see a breakdown from here. Once we see the breakdown from here, this would be a confirmation for a continuation to the lower zones. So with that simple idea and logics, we are going to go to the even smaller time frames. Let's go quickly to the 5-minute time frame to check the liquidity movements of the coin. So let's put it like this so we can move freely here. So we had a stronger market structure break here, then we stopped right near the neckline zone or the smaller support zone, and then we bounced off. So what we need is once again the break of this neckline, and from here on we can take also a small short position with a target being approximately the previous breakout structure zone. So risk reward ratio is like 1 to 5 in this, 1 to 1.5 in this case, which is not the best one. But if we see the breakdown from here, of course might move stop loss closer actually, and then most probably will just be keeping and falling down. Now keep in mind that we are entering the weekends market as well, which means that we are going to form the weekend gap, which are those things here. And usually during the weekend gaps we see a bigger movement, so not taking into consideration this smaller one, but this one, this one, this one, and this one here. So pretty huge CMA gaps have been forming, so we might as well see another CMA gap forming to the lower zones, which would be an ideal to later fill on and then continue to fall into lower zones. So that said, the game plan doesn't change at all. We still expect the price to fall to lower zones as long as sellers keep dominance over this local resistance area. Right now the odds are not the best one because of this local push that's happening right now, but seeing this just as a liquidity grab before we enter the weekends market. So let's wait for the proper market structure break or the break of the neckline area on the smaller time frames, and then we can glide to lower zones starting here 77.3k, and then back to this breakdown or the entry area that we are having. So that's it for today. If you like this video, feel free to leave a comment and I'll catch you in the next video.